record me catching them.
Is it recording now?
Yeah. This thing's huge.
Well, you can't see it.
Well, you will here in a second.
If it runs,
Holy shit, he's pissed.
babe, I think that is a brown recluse. If he jumps on you,
He's not gonna jump. But I need some. Can you go get me a piece of paper?
I'm trying to record.
Okay, here. I'll read here. Get a piece of paper so I can slide it underneath there and get him. He's massive and he's pissed. He's not gonna eat me, but damn it, that dude's. Woo, he's pissed. Well, he ain't getting out, I can tell you that.
I'm surprised how scared you are of spiders.
But I'm curious, babe. I'm scared and curious all at the same time.
Do you need that many cups on it?
I didn't want him to move it. Alright. You wanna walk with me, babe?
How do I turn this off?
Oh, hit the center button.